Welcome to Lesson 2. Now that we know the company, let's look at the platform, Foundry. Foundry is a data operating system, one place for data integration, transformation, modeling, and building apps. In this lesson, we'll see what makes it different and introduce the scenario that we'll build together. Most organizations have data all over the place: Excel, email, Google Sheet, Tableau, Snowflake. Each tool does one thing, but none of them give you the full picture. That's the fragmentation problem. Think about a property manager with 30 plus rental homes. Property data is in Excel. Maintenance requests come in by email. Expenses are in QuickBooks. Technician schedules are in Google Sheets. Reports are in Tableau. When a tenant reports a problem, the manager has to dig through 5 systems just to understand what's going on. That's what fragmentation actually costs you: slow decisions and missed details. Foundry's real value isn't faster queries, it's faster decisions. It puts everything in one place so the person making the call has all the context they need in seconds, not hours. A data warehouse like Snowflake is great for storing and querying data, but it's a tool for analysis. Foundry is a platform for the whole organization. It replaces your data warehouse, your BI tool, your ETL tool, your app builder, and your permissions framework, all in one. Each layer builds on the one below: data connection for ingestion, pipeline builder for transformation, ontology for modeling real-world concepts, workshop for operational apps, quiver for analytical dashboards, and AIP on top, AI agents that reason over your actual data, not generic chatbots. Instead of abstract examples, we're going to build something real: a maintenance operations system for a property management company. Same patterns that enterprise Foundry customers use every day. It measures what real customers do. They have data about assets, people, and work. They need to connect all three to make better decisions faster. That's exactly what I'll do. 3 CSV files on your desktop: properties, technicians, and maintenance orders. Right now they are disconnected. Through this bootcamp, you'll upload them into Foundry, transform them, model them as ontology objects, link them together, and build a dispatch dashboard on top. You start with 3 disconnected files. You end with a working app where managers can assign technicians, track costs, and make decisions. Every step builds on the previous one. Palantir offers a free developer console at developer.palantir.com. No credit card, no installation needed, just sign up and start building. CSV files will be provided with each lesson. In Lesson 3, we'll get hands-on. You'll upload your first CSV into Foundry and start exploring. See you there.